Hi guys, Whitney and Cassie here with Interior Edit. We are showing you 5 ways to elevate your home.
No matter the size of your home, big or small, there are ways that you can elevate it, make it feel more curated and more inviting. So we're gonna show you how.
Another way to elevate your home is textiles. We love good pillow inserts.
And it does not have to be expensive. Doing pillows can be pretty budget friendly.
So these we found online, and what you really want to look for is ones with zippers. These are going to allow you to use beautiful down inserts, and that gives you that choppable designer look that we're all trying to look for.
So you can buy just the pillow cover. That way you can take it off and wash it. It'll be longer lasting, and then you can swap them out if you want for seasons, or if you feel like it's getting dingy and you want to continue to use the insert, you buy a new cover.
Right. So with that, you want to go 2 sizes bigger than your pillow. It's gonna give you that big full effect rather than looking kind of like empty and sad. So you're going to want to add height and variation when decorating with pillows, and look at that good chop. We love it.
Different sizes, different colors, different textures.
Yes, different combinations is what we're going for. Another way to elevate your home is with blankets. We love a good basket with a blanket draped out the side. It softens the corner of like a couch or a corner that's empty. It just adds interest. Another way is just draping this over your sofa. It's just gonna add another layer and dimension.